Ahanbadamori posting NSN IMG Warsin Propada Manipur Assam the Arunachal Pradesh ke ngongkhida kai bipiru haina Union Home Minister Rajnath na phongdrok le haina Chief Minister na haikre amadi mai pakpa haibasi kathokpaga loina puksel sengna thabak torba matamda oiba ngamgani haina Manipur gi Governor Dr. Nazma Heptulan haikre Kurumzre, Ming Tabiru Singh, Taram Noxabolo and about Sandro Pizre. NSN, I am Amadi Barat Sarkar and in a Santiwari, Satribasi, Warush in Purpada, Nagaland, Yumtang Nariba, Manipur, Assam, the Arunachal Pradesh King Okida, Akaiba Karisupiro Haina, Union Home Minister, Rajnath, State Hungi Chief Minister, Singer Unabada Fondorok Le Haina, Chief Minister, and Biren and Sipomis in the Fondokre. Nasimagi Opista Pangtopa Paugi Mipamada, Chief Minister, and Biren Makatan Haikibada, Home Minister Unabadu, the NSN, IMG, what was in Nagaland State Kakti or Hidavani, Yumtang Naba State Amawagi Makogi Warusin Purpada Pangway Abamateng Pangani, Manipurgi Ngongkai, so unbedi Yarwe Haba Wafam Subsan, Union Minister, the Kangalam Lehaina, Chief Minister, and Biren Paumis in the Fondoke.
Sumnamoi Brahma Bangladesh ka taina bangam khaigi se minister singi meeting am leba Bangladesh ta gi huzik laiba hinga gi thaba ga gi Assam da NRC kari gi tawri basigi adu gi mangoi na ikhoi NSN IM ga sathari ba Bharat Sarkar sathari ba toxic mai leina na su ikhoi gi Assam gi CM ne Arunachal CM ne ai ne khoi ahum gu su Home Minister ga unei madai da na khoi ma sumna khoi gi state ki concern kamai lai ke dawi kamai phibam kamai tawi ke dawi assess to bani ado ikhoi state Assam gi su state thamai moi khoi gi Assam gi oi ba thok podi khoi ngamoi Maduga Nagaland manung gi oi ba taw bodai khoi mateng pangni khoni na Arunachal gi su same similar state na dum thame akhoi gi su dum haira me khoi gi state ki hujik lai riba oneness sing dam amatu oi ne khoi lai jari basi thugai bi ganu masi thugai ba da Manipur praja na pamde aduga government na su pamde ai gi sa gi su pamde aduga Nagaland manung gi oi ba Queen Lava Naga issues ni Nagaland manungi oi ba port ama Naga gi oi ba solution ama government na pigi bada yana gi bada maro koi neighboring state mo na koi angam mateng pangani tawbu di state ki oi ba koi Manipur state ki oi ba oneness aduga singtam gi liminary relationship aduga territorial boundaries historical sahi lisingani hena koi pai puning thau pandana singtam punna ngakmina na lakpani masi kai bedudi prajana yade aduga sarkar gi di prajana lepa phirep to sarkar khoi gi phirep ni haidana dumaina adum khangin jarme haidar
Union Minister gi makete gi Home Minister makete kram insurance ku
magi sumna assessment territorial kai ba haidum madi sukai kai ro at any cost territorial boundary of the state adum simadi effect sung tok do roi to bu suya ya de have se koina su kan hai aduga moina su madum madi state ki territorial integrity kai bu madi kai roi hai bigi assurance to about this ki wena de lai rena labo ya
Mai Pakpa Hibisi Katokpaga Lunina Puxel sang na Tabak Torbu Matamdo Oiba Nganguni Haina Manipur gi Governor Dr. Nazma Heptulana Ngasi National Institutes of Technology Manipur gi Marirak Suba Convocation gi Thorom da Fongdokre Langol da Laiba NIT Manipur da Pangtho kiba Thoromudu da NIT Manipur gi Director Professor S. Birendra Singha NIT Manipur gi Assis Kumar Chauhan Singmami Kya Sarwaki Governor Nazma Heptulana Makatana Haikibada Tamsinba Haiba Asina Mai Papiga Sobalambi Ma Oiba Nganguni Haiki
On the brave new world of technology, as a nation, we have an obligation to use technology and manage our resources properly. Our mission in the digital age is to use the new technology to make sure that it connects to the aspiration of the people. It is true that one cannot make available thousands of specialists whose services are required in the remotest corners of the country, but one can make use of their services through broadband and multi-services centers in every village. In my opinion, technology itself is never the reason that the things change. Rather, it is how people change to apply the technology and whether they make their decision and address really that they make the difference in the long term. We need skilled and knowledgeable, empowered and professionals to drive this change for the better. In the same breath, I would like to emphasize on the careful harnessing of technology to prevent any hazardous effect to ecology, creating a more sustainable world.
Toromoda NIT Director S. Birendra Yauna Wangang Kibas in the phone on Kibada, NIT Manipuri, India going Yangbada, Marfutare Super Rank to Lady. MTech Yauna Puna Mahiri, Sanipan Contra Marina Institute is the Mahitamli. Mahiri Singna, Dance Liba Wakalo Singer say, Nation UNC have a Wafan Sing Foundonaki, Tungda, Todo and Dopa, Makomatang Taraba, NIT Mahiri Singda, Manamatum Pitunike Kuno Utke. Matam kaya mamang digi pitok na laklaba Manipur State Illness Assistance Fund gi senfam ngasi miyoy kaya Chief Minister and Birenamadi Health Minister L. Jentukumar na yentokre. Ngasi Chief Minister Secretary pangtopa Toromodo da Chief Minister and Biren hakibada anaba amadi disabled singi temang cell marilena official karana tamoy seng na tabak tog dabadagi fanglum daba yolum le fangbam thopa singda sapsana panganba hore haiki.
Social machine ke bang na hubuk Madu ini akan jalan lebih dulu, kalau tu dah pergi indoor cell itu dah loya piu ni ada. Madu piu repair ada, ada itu na nanti district tu di commissioner office tu sadar kalau piu boleh na, scenery ba, orang la oh heba oh, ni lagi dia tu boleh bawa orang. Kalau jadi secretary, CM secretary dah itu. Class message on the DC office, SEO office, how in case Karimba scheme to give a salary, DC da SEO da, Moy Santan, Moy Satung, Lola, 24-hour activator. Any DC or SEO or SEC, anybody. Head along was when I was into 24-hour later I will initiate legal action.
Forest and Environment Minister T. Siam Kumana Tami Mapam Sing the Haking and Setuna, Mapamadu Sakotorang Tabak Sing, Yangshin Kray. Minister Bukunja Sing Harautam OK. Minister Tamilong District Manung Senba, Tamilongi Tamitaba Lambida kilometer Maram Sang Silaga Ladyba, Buning Hainekanaba, Singolgi, Sarukta Ladyba, Late Manamopam Yangshin Kray, Kongset to the MLA Awangba Numai Saraki, Mapamadubo Minister Na, Buning's Wildlife Sanctuary in a Sanganaba Sarkana Honorgan High Cray.
See, Atmatic Pazabaduga. See, state government has already proposed to labor wildlife sanctuary of India. See, wildlife sanctuary in declared on number. And I honorable Mr. Tanaraga. We consult honorable MLA Himam Tanarakanda. Famasi wildlife sanctuary winner. Government of India, wildlife sanctuary. We recognize the number. The home topa, wildlife sanctuary will have to perform Yamdo, Lainaba, state government, my forest department site again, Kamatokani. Famasi. Atmatic Yampuning Hunai Weba, Aduga, Makal Makaki, Sassing labor, chasing labor, Zagamani Aduga, Sigi, Merotegi, about 5-6 kilometers. Kakalaga Mataka labor, Sipra, Play Loina, about 4-5 kilometers is Madam Pleta Lega, Yamna Quigi, landscaping gazi, Masan, necessarily them Siamagalamba, Zagamani.
Consider Suriakiba, MLA Awangba Numaina. Piolong Harga Sukangriba Mafamasida Tang Laba South Sekiamarang kind of fangi. Mafamasida Atang Makalgi Amuba Yong Usek Langwidong Singba Marangkaina Pangmama Famni Lamkoi was singing Putning Singsin Bay tourist spot Amasu Sangopada Miamna Hana Pamnagan Hike.
Mamasida Samakan Miam Moruena Manipur de extinct area Haina Kangner Miam Haina River Black Monkey Sule. Aduga sida hornbill atay uchek mapamatay da leitraba aduga sa atay mapamatay da leitraba dugumba miyam si sida lei haina khungi missing na su hay aduga survey na su dum hay haina department sing na su akoy da pau pibale mamantang laba mapamasi tourist destination ama oina su nadraga Kogi wildlife miam protect of Mapam Winasu, Shambat Kani Habisi, Kanmatazaba.
Amarom the Sahi Sige, Venamasa Falanda, Kamfagi Makata Tamil District to Antoine Mobham Sing the Takiba U Pambi Sing, Ningtizana Mapungpana, Horam Badat Minister and Wife Fonroke, Pambi Sing Mapungpana, Honaba Honaba Kunja Sing the Minister and Selgi Mating Piduna, Puning Tawake, Minister Sam Kumarna, Tamilong District Warning Tizina Home Famne, District Tariba Wasing, Matamsana Harvest, Tautono Status Income, Hangat Hanaba Honagani, Wadigi says Sumbagi, Bamboo Plangi, Oiba Policy, Emma Sam Nanaba Northeast Council Project Matargani, Masine Umang Koktokuna, Zoom Cultivations, Togi Sangsu Hantangani Hake.
Wazi Malanka and Tamilong Jehovah. And the Wazi Tabagi plan the Yawa, and the Wazi Harvest of plans in them. I don't say village economy that Yamson by Tare. And the Wazi Quina, see in Fajo Kanda, no is council the energy project Matarani, no labor presenting different villages of Tamilong district and 36. Layam see Quina. Wadi Quid, CS Hunaba, the Kagita Wabi Mamdo, Antarga Quickie, blazing the canoe Piragati, Maduki, Sustainable Way and Piragati, Quickie, Zoom cultivation with Tokaneva. Najukuna, government state, first department, Bakali Madis, that way, Sangale, Masaki, the Sen Holy Mayam. She young the numbers of blazing the Kuna, a one is been to Tuana Mugi, Uzikaga, Zoom cultivation, Tomuta, Atopalambi and Pirakan Umang Jidum, Hawamba, and Nabi Adu Kuyam to the Silagan and she take it Hamajda.
Anova district Sam Kubuga Mari Lenina BJP government ki Makai Digimiam that district boundary sang na yat Nabamatam Lautokraga, Nasi Fawa, Tava, Tohanda Tambo, Mite Youth Front, Southeast Asia, Messian, Akan Mamong the Yan from Rotley. Lengakna, Linkipa Boundary Commission Kadum the Lake Kravage, Safe Minister, Revenue Minister, Madi Forest Minister, na boundary issue say Lumna Low the Borabadi, Messiana. Ihogi Sam servicing a sinam sinner Tamloy Harry. Manado proof singi Marakta Leba is Suibana Lengakna, Mite sing the Samanova, Hankale, Messiana, Mite Miam Wakalon sing Fatono Laklibasi, Lengakna Lumna Lorum Labadi, Governance Lady, Heining Mani Harry. Issue see Mankinaba Honorakpasi. Sarkar Gesu, Labak Amnatiba Kongtang Wigani, Lalibatang Taramanga Fawi Manunda, Lengakna Kampo district official map Putopangam Drabadi, Lengaki Matak Kongjang Sangsalagani, Boundary Commission Tabak Todabagi, Tanza Loraga, Mitegi, Uyok Sing Sing, Kampo district Hainamaming, Tarakibas Labak Tivini, Masimari Leno Singna Yamatuna Loto Hari, Hiromopam Sings Asida Makatana, Laisilabadi, Messiana Sub Sabatabak local Lakani, Hari. How's your power Martana Timabramatan Luminasi?
Come on, how do you get I know you know the talk? To be class 19 Tamiba. I think metric target to sing division to coaching centers now.
Live coaching center is a home target in an hour in a whole water. Position holder may have to talk about. University would attend coming. So tall was hard to sing the Matadi live coaching center.
Jolip 100% natural syrup. Amasung capsule. You thakpadagi oirakpa awaba chaitheng hakjangi liver soglakpadagi uchu sengaktaba haksang soktharakpa tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hamba nungaraktaba singbu phanba ngamba matangairaba upaidi Jolip syrup amasung capsule diabetes singidamakta Jolip capsule chabiu
Panacea Coaching Center, the best and only trusted coaching center in Impal.
Panacea Coaching Center gi oja singna exam gi sem saba matamda support tawbiki amasung mateng yamna pangbiki. Exam tips, regular mock tests, suggestions amasung study materials sing yamna janaki. Class 10 thagadaba singna makok thongba oinabagi damaktadi Panacea singna amata ngaraba coaching center ni. Miyamna center sida thazaba thampi.
Imphal East, West, Amadi, Bisnupur District Oina, Makal Kudingi Apamba 2, 3, Amasung 4 wheelers na Chingbagi Gari, Guarantor Yaudana loan, Lawi Yagani, Deposit Tobanvita, Apamba Gari Supangigani, Pambiba Mio Singnabiu, Imphal Finance, Head Office, Moirangkom, Loglaubung, Branch Offices, Pauna International Market, Amasung, Bisnupur Bazaar, Bisnupur.
Manipur Miam gi nungairaba pau Sky Hospital da world class international cardiology ki khudong chaba lejare operation togdina device na heart ki ahoba memba Sky Hospital sai ani gi mamang dagi mai pang na pangthokna lakni RBS ki amasung Sky Hospital ki kusam naraga lakiba December ki tang 13 ta angang singbu device na heart ki ahoba memba ki operation pangthok sagani OTM sung hospital charge free oigani akupa maru gi damak Sky Hospital gi reception ga tanabi
Breaking the Taramok Sri Makata Boxing Nehru Yuba Kendra Infal West na Sinduna Interstate Youth Exchange Program Nasi Kumalam Park Kangsang the Pangtokre Toromaduda Youth Affairs and Sport Ki Commissioner L Dilip Director A Pravin Amadi Nehru Yuba Kendra Sangathan Kohimagi State Director KZ Rivana Maruba Musing Wina Suraki Nehru Yuva Kendra Infal West ki State Coordinator Yumnam Laxmana Numit Taraga Mangani Sumna Satakata Tormasi Manipurum Su Nagaland State Anina Punna Sinno Pangtopani Makal Makaka Tormsing Pangtokani Haiki
Essay writing competition, painting competition, quiz competition, slogan writing competition, kaya tawagdari program asing manungchana gram sabha su phamduna koina experts ni mating loina koina sinjari
B2 Art Walk na Sinuna Numit Humni gi matung da Sathagaba Unique Mediums Art Exhibition ma ngasi Palace Compound leba Ibuema Sumangnila Sanglal da Hokre Tormatuda MLA P Sandra Sumangnila Council gi President Purnimasi Leimana Maruba Musingwina Sarwaki P Sandra na haikibada exhibition pangtuluba si yamna maruoi masina ngasi mirol da anuba wakalola mapi bangawune haike
The idea mo independent thinking ay isay konta Nikata Manipuri is be more by a mindset, say, what the say. And I'm an influence to Manataba, Namdramasi to Manataba. I get a palm of the Chatpan, I get a Pongo Pumamba, Adumamadugi education system, Adumamadugu, Porapumamba to the school system, Aduyana Carnation.
International Fortnight Observation Protesting Violence Against Women Gimanung Sena Kunaisa Teneri Banupi Sating Habitimda Women Action for Development Amasung Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights na Sinduna Ngarang Infal Palace Compound Leba Lamjan Besanglda Layak Pasangdom Naba Ama Pangtokre Class 5 to 8 Fawgi Oiba State Ki Tag the Pangtokiba Competition Nadra Pitambra English School Ki Class 8 Ki Mahiroi Venice Kaisam Ahanba Kendriya Bidyalaya number 1 Lamfelgi class 5 ki mahiroi Juliana Trading Zamna Anisuba Amadi Don Bosco Higher Secondary School ki mahiroi Leprakpam Rohitna Ahum Suba Poison Takre Bengal College Teachers Association bu lan uhanaba amadi college ke principal da Maral Pesin bagi mayokta ngasi association amadi college ke student union na sinduna wakat mifam setakre hanigi student union na hanigi secretary Y Asni Kumar na college ki mathakta thamliba athingba komthok piraga akiba fawriba si ko anbiu haiki
matam kakna thingjale na khigi media da flash nu tawna tawkiba adagi kaiguma thinginba sida Hangamba Taragadi Satra Oja Oigra Satra Oigra Madu Toropa Datam Samsana Pugudam Yahava Namakan Wai Harputagi Piromukuliski Satra Mo in Amazon Oja Sing Equi Adukimati Mipaiva Pognava Colesta Lakbo Namadabugi Pivum the later but Maramaduna Tingi and Tangi Satagi Miang
College ke principal R.K. Manisrana Association ki thaupu bamade principal masada sirleba Maral Singh yumpam yawdbani makhata na kihan bi thabak sathawigi no haike
mathuki base angonda karigumba knowledge amata lejade aduga sigi mari lenaba amata id karigumba amta aina masigi maramda ai kari matta khangjade aduna isa singna sumaina khoigi bakta gi secretary si khoigi thawpuri ba sing amadi ai thakta sibire be irala se khoidi kari matta khangjadana samna lejabo ja singni khoi isa singna handupiu aduga ai satra singi mathakta paikha khoigi sahi mangba yarakpagi yamna mipai ningai oiba ama Tambiri basisu handopiu ando khoigi sigi matas be khoidi karigumba knowledge amata lejade aduna formjing ase handopiu haina ai haije
ICM Infal na National Labour Cooperative Federations of India New Delhi sponsor makatanga se special component plan for scheduled caste haibisida awareness program pangthokre institute sigi complex ta pangthokiba thormatuda state planning board ke deputy Manager S. Rajan, Manipur State Cooperative Union ki President L. Tompisa, ICM Infal ki Director Dr. N. Ranjana, Senior Faculty Member K. Joycendra Namaru Bemusing on Sargaki, Union ki President L. Tompisa na self-help group Semduna, Tabak Toduna, Punamai Pakminabangangani Haike. Deputy Chairman S. Rajana Centerna scheme kaya loans tawrbasu mafung fana implement tawgadoriba prajasingna ningthina pangthokpa ngamdrabadi arembo oigani haikhi
aikoi kanaba isagi sinfam ama oibada natana praja miyam da sumadu kana budu phangala kana da aikoi iram dam leipa ka si chaukanaba loina na aikoi leiba na si hingana bona ga tabani aduna schedule caste sinda baroi na ngasi di bharat sarkar schedule caste ki sutongan ba aikoi miyam thamdidana schedule caste na tongana hena priority pibi raga karibu scheme ama lakwa ga schedule caste ki tongan ba ja thamdirega aikoi paikhan ba miyam honari singu honai ba miyam singa sinda aikoi mapung phana thaba pangthoyerga aikoi leiba miyam singa sinda mapung phaba thaba adu ba ama moiba ngamnaba thonabagi tanjadu tangai padya joya tamjani
Imphal West District Police Commando Madi Taruk Subasam Rifles na Khumbong Bazar area da thibomgi thabak satabada NSN KG Maithuangam Kamai Koba Nungba Sub Division gi Rengpang Village tagi miyoima fare amoromda Narcotics and Affairs of Border Police na hapta minuthong mayada asat awok sing sector Basizan Koba Kairang Hangang Thong mayadagi drug lalonba miyoima heroin powder milligram kuntra konana fare hena police ki piarona khanglakle Kansipur Labor Standard Rover School ge non-teaching staff ki leifam oibaga loinana godown su oinaba mafam amang ase ayuk mai sakre thaudo se ngase upung nipalom tabada thokibani thaudo thofam na Manipur Fire Service ke kambu laktuna mai kanbigi thabak sathake punna ka tararongge mathak makha oina una saba yumadu matau karam na mai sakibano haiba sab saba khangdrabasu electric short circuit gi oramba yai thajanare punna lupa kayagi malsang amanga tha thokrabage haiba sabsana khangmangamdre Myanmar amadi India anigi marakta lairiba Norman land gi mafam asi amorakai hundokfam ole nakal anidagi hari mafam asida amorakai kya langthorokpana moregi border area nakna khundaraba mi kya da saun kunungsa da mayoknale mafam adudagi laina tina kya sanrokpa yabagi akiba leiri hari athuba matamda mari lainaba singna thaba faikhatuna laina tina kya sandoraktana ba hona haningbagi apamba fongdonarle Assam, Manipur, amadi Tripura gi nahawriba artist mapalda National Youth Award lisingani tarataret firagani haina ipak film production Manipur na thadrok pasirolomana khanglakle November 12 da All Manipur Student Union Lamsang branch na sinuna pangthokaba essay competition da Kurkul Standard School gi mahiroi Moirang Tem Dindayal Brighter Star Public School gi Nongthombam Regina amadi school asima ki mahiroi Omega arubamna ahanba anisuba amadi ahumsuba takre Loisalak pada mulai boxing amu kan pijre. NSN IM ge warosin propada Manipur Assam amadi Arunachal Pradesh ki ngong khaida akai ba piroi haina Union Home Minister Rajnath na fongdrok le haina Chief Minister na high grade. Amadi mai pakpa haiba si kathopaga loina puksel seng na thabak torba matamda oiba ngamgani haina Manipur ge Governor Dr. Nasma Heptulan high grade. Hoje Paulo iria este vídeo Matang selo jere meng tabi puno pomukana krumjere